My name is Crystal Frost, and my role at Autism Oklahoma is Director of Community Engagement. Autism Oklahoma is a local nonprofit in Oklahoma that's been around for 20 years, and we serve about 4,500 families on the autism spectrum. We are so excited about the funds that we are receiving today from you guys. We use it for several different things. We serve children from 2 to 72, and we have art programs, we have mix and mingles, we have camps, we have onboarding for jobs. We do so many different things with the money. We try to keep all of our programs free or low cost so that our families do not have to worry about extra expenses because it's so expensive with a child with autism. So this money that you guys are giving us helps us to continue to do that with our programs. I do have a personal connection with Autism Oklahoma. My son is almost 20. He's on the spectrum, and he was diagnosed at 2 years old. And at 2 years old, I wanted to do everything as a mom to be able to help him, and I found Autism Oklahoma and I started volunteering for them. And then I became their first employee. And now I've been there 15 years, and we're 20 years old, so almost as old as my son. So I have a huge connection to this organization. It has my whole heart. If anyone wants to get involved with Autism Oklahoma, we have several volunteer opportunities, from anything that you can do at your home to an event to monthly meetings. We have a website. On the website, autismoklahoma.org, we have a volunteer page, and we update it regularly with different volunteer opportunities. So we have opportunities for just about anyone that wants to volunteer.